Folks, there were not many of these made. We have a certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in bright white. It comes equipped with BI-XENON HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system, 18,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a rear backup camera system, dual zone temperature controls, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, and a power liftgate. This has it all. It also has a 3.6-liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number 47684A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.